Hi, this is the quiz 3, the pink quiz for 7th grade, and this is Miss Allen. Question number 1. What is the constant of proportionality K for calories burned per minute? First I'm going to set up my ratio in words. Per minute. The information given is 2475 calories for 3 minutes. When I do that division, I get 24 and 75/100ths divided by 3 equals 8. Remainder 0. 2. Remainder 1. Bring down the 5. Remainder 0. So this equals 8 and 25/100ths over 1 minute. It means you burn 8 calories and 25/100ths. Excuse me. Pause. Calories per minute, per 1 minute. Write an equation that could be used to find how many calories are burned for any number of minutes spent skipping rope. So how many calories are burned? That's my y thing. Minutes is my x thing. So my y thing, the number of calories, is 8.25 times my x thing, which is any number of minutes. So I could also write this as C for calories equals 8.25 times M for minutes. Next, question 4. Mr. Carter is making treat bags for the 7th grade VIP celebration. He plans on using 90 scoops of gummy bears to make 30 treat bags. What is the constant of proportionality K for number of scoops per bag? Okay, so scoops is going to be my Y thing per 1 bag. That's going to be my X thing. So I know that K is always Y divided by X. So in this case, scoops, the number for scoops is 90. So I've got 90 scoops over 30 bags. That's my X thing. 90 divided by 30 equals 3. So K equals 3. Now what does that mean in this situation? What is the meaning of K is 3? Well, it means that there are 3 scoops per 1 bag, per 1 treat bag, because it's 3 over 1. Write an equation that could be used to find how many scoops of gummy bags are needed for any number of treat bags. Well, I can do y equals k number times x. Now instead of using the word y, I could use the letter S for scoop, and then I use my k number, which is 3, and I use b for bag, so that makes it clearer, because I will let S represent number of scoops and I will let B represent number of bags. I'm going to go back to this one and define my variables because I forgot to do that before. So I'm going to let C represent number of calories, and I'm going to let M represent number of minutes. Of course, you guys can write a lot more neatly than me, but I'm trying to do this quickly. Okay, sorry, it's a little crooked, but we'll make do. The graph below shows the relationship of the amount of candy in pounds. It says amount of candy in pounds, that's my X. I'm going to annotate this, amount of candy in pounds, to the cost in dollars, that's my Y. Cost in dollars is Y. What does the ordered pair 0, 0 represent in this situation? So that's this point right here, 0, 0. 0, 0 represents when you buy 0 pounds of candy you pay $0. That's all. 0, when X is 0, well, X represents pounds of candy, so X is 0, means pounds of candy is 0. The amount of money that you have to pay is 0. Similarly, the ordered pair 1, 5, 1, 5 means that, so that would be 1, 5, that's this point right here. When the X is 1, meaning when you buy 1 pound of candy, comma, the cost is 5. Now it doesn't matter what the X is, it doesn't matter what the Y is, I just look at the labels and I can tell you what it means. What concept is shown? Aha, the mathematical concept of 1, 5. Well, I can write it like this. Y over X, my Y number is 5 over 1. Ooh, that looks familiar. That is my K number. That's K. That's my unit rate. Unit rate is 5 over 1. I can also call this K is 5. Or I can also call it my constant of proportionality. That is my constant of proportionality. Thank you, 7th grade mathematicians. Please annotate your quiz clearly with a nice red pen or something that shows the contrast so that you can show what you have learned from watching this video.